Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use the B1G Plus app and overview. So let's get started. So here I will just open the B1G Plus app, and here I will just open. As you can see here, we have to select our school. Okay, so for example like Maryland. Okay, that's done, and then click on continue. So from here you can see it. So basically this is the news or event for the schools. As you can see here, events, you can see the library, your profile, and by this way you can use it, and it's a very useful app for the school student. For example, you can just go and here see it. Okay, you can see for the events, and you can also see who are participating and other things. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.